Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Guys, today I am live stream in this project and I will discuss informations related for RCC shuttering and also beam, top beam. Okay, so let's start guys. Here guys, this is the farm work. As you can see, this is the farm work for commercial building. Okay, so here remember some points I want to discuss with you people. So the farm work is okay. Okay, this is the proper farm work. But here remember, these joints should be closed with plastering tape. Okay, with plaster tape it should be closed. Okay, same like this. So if there are anywhere the joints between two okay, so the joint or the gap should be filled with what? With plastering tape. Okay, so now here I will show you the beam. So guys, this is the top beam and width of the beam is here. Okay, without slab. Okay, without thickness of the slab, the depth is 9 inches. Depth of the beam is 9 inches and its width is 12 inches. Okay, so 12 by 9 inches. So after placing thickness of the slab, it should become 15 inches. Okay guys, you can see now here this is the RCC column and here we have 8 numbers of steel bars which dia is 16 millimeter. Guys, you can see 16 millimeter is a dia of steel bar and this is the lateral tie which is about 6 millimeter, but in mega project the lateral tie dia should not be less than 8 millimeter. Okay, so for 16 millimeter we should use not 6 millimeter lateral tie diameter, but we should use 8 millimeter dia of steel bar for lateral tie. Now guys, one thing other, you cannot see any hooks. Okay, so the hook's angle is with 90 degree. Okay, so it should be bent or with like this. Okay, with 135 degree, the hooks should be bent with 135 degree with the length of minimum 3 inches. Okay, or 90 you can keep. So here the spacing should not be more than, at the bottom it should not be more than, for mega project, more than 4 to 5 inches. Okay, but here guys, you can see they didn't place the other, but we will see in the future. Okay, so this is 3-story building. Okay, commercial building. Now guys, brother, development I have already discussed in many videos. So guys, you can see here, this is the space. Okay, so this space should be covered, this joint should be covered with plastering tape, otherwise it will make a bleeding. Okay, as you can see guys, this is the proper farm work, but the joint should be placed with plaster, as you can see guys. Okay, so now what is the process after this? Remember guys, then they will provide main bars and also distribution bars. In many videos I have already discussed that on the joints. Okay, here at the end of the support, as you can see guys, this is column, this is beam. At the end of the supports, which is better, crank bar or cut piece? Okay, so I recommend you guys, crank bar is the best. That's why, because it reduces the amount of steel bar or number of steel bars, but the cut piece method is not better. That's why, because we need more amount of steel bars and also the steel is overlapped with each other on this point, so therefore it can make a problem. But the cut piece method is old and the crank bar method is advanced, so therefore I recommend you use the crank bar method. Now guys, you can see this is the joint and junction of column and beams, as you can see. Now this is the improper shuttering for the staircase. Look at here guys, so you should avoid before fixing problems. Now look at here, this farm work or this shuttering is old compared to that one that is old. this one is old and that one formwork is new. So therefore it will give you a good result compared to this one. Okay, so now guys, look here. Brother, this is simple farm work, not the ply farm work. As you can see guys, here they will provide the beam, okay, top beam, and that will be connect that one column. Okay, so this is the beam farm work, so it will become same like that one. That one is ready, and this is also in progress, this one. So this column will attach, these two columns will be attached by this beam, as you can see. Now this is about ready, as you can see guys. Okay, width is 12 inches and depth of the beam is 9 inches, and the depth of the beam should be maximum compared to the width. But here we have RCC slab, so therefore it will become to the 15 or 16 inches. Okay, as you can see guys. So remember, at this stage we should keep the lapping length here not less than 4 feet. Okay, so this is about 4.5 feet guys, you can see, because if we don't have the length of steel bar, then we cannot overlap one steel bar to another. So therefore more people I saw their projects, okay, they keep the lapping length same like this. Okay, so there when they place RCC slab, they don't have the other lapping to join to one lapping to the other. So therefore it should not be less than 4 feet, but this is about 4.5 feet. So this is the best way. Okay, so guys, there were some points which I've discussed in front of you, that the joints of the farm work should be plaster. Okay, you should use the plaster tape, otherwise it will make the problem. So therefore this is the farm work details with RCC slab, with RCC column, and also farm work for the beam. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.